Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
So today we are here to read the chapter from our Midang book of class 2. Chapter 2. Let us read. We are all Indians. My name is Meenakshi.
My name is Meenakshi.
I come from Tamil Nadu.
I come from Tamil Nadu.
I speak Tamil.
I speak Tamil.
My favorite festival is Pongal.
My favorite festival is Pongal.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Blank.
Blank.
I am Ramu.
I am Ramu.
I come from Gujarat.
I come from Gujarat.
I speak Gujarati.
I speak Gujarati.
I like to dance the Garba.
I like to dance the Garba.
I am 7 years old.
I am 7 years old.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Blank.
Blank.
My name is Gulabo.
My name is Gulabo.
I come from Rajasthan.
I come from Rajasthan.
I like wearing colorful clothes.
I like wearing colorful clothes.
I enjoy seeing puppet shows.
I enjoy seeing puppet shows.
I travel by camel.
I travel by camel.
How do you travel?
How do you travel?
Blank.
Blank.
I am Badal.
I am Badal.
I come from Bengal.
I come from Bengal.
I speak Bengali.
I speak Bengali.
I like painting and music.
I like painting and music.
I study at Santiniketan.
I study at Santiniketan.
Where do you study?
Where do you study?
Blank.
Blank.
I am Vibha.
I am Vibha.
I come from Maharashtra.
I come from Maharashtra.
I speak Marathi.
I speak Marathi.
Once I visited Ellora and Ajanta caves.
Once I visited Ellora and Ajanta caves.
Have you travelled anywhere?
Have you travelled anywhere?
Blank.
Blank.
I am Surinder.
I am Surinder.
I come from Punjab.
I come from Punjab.
I speak Punjabi.
I speak Punjabi.
My neighbor Malika
My neighbor Malika
likes to do Bhangra.
likes to do Bhangra.
Which dance do you like?
Which dance do you like?
Blank.
Blank.
I am Nirja.
I am Nirja.
I come from Uttar Pradesh.
I come from Uttar Pradesh.
I have seen the Taj Mahal.
I have seen the Taj Mahal.
Have you seen any monument?
Have you seen any monument?
Blank.
Blank.
My name is Nonglik.
My name is Nongling.
I come from Manipur.
I come from Manipur.
I speak Manipuri.
I speak Manipuri.
What language do you speak?
What language do you speak?
Blank.
Blank.
My name is Kamla.
My name is Kamla.
I come from Karnataka.
I come from Karnataka.
I speak Kannad.
I speak Kannada.
I play the mridang.
I play the mridang.
Do you play any musical instrument?
Do you play any musical instrument?
Blank.
Blank.
Bharti is my name.
Bharti is my name.
I come from Andhra Pradesh.
I come from Andhra Pradesh.
I speak Telugu.
I speak Telugu.
During my summer holidays,
During my summer holidays,
I go to Kashmir
I go to Kashmir
and stay with my friends
and stay with my friends
Salma and Suresh.
Salma and Suresh.
Where do you go for your holidays?
Where do you go for your holidays?
Blank.
Blank.
We are two sisters.
We are two sisters.
We belong to Odisha.
We belong to Odisha.
We speak Odia.
We speak Odia.
We decorate our walls and floors.
We decorate our walls and floors.
Do you have a sister or a brother?
Do you have a sister or a brother?
Blank.
Blank.
My name is Unni.
My name is Unni.
I come from Kerala.
I come from Kerala.
I speak Malayalam.
I speak Malayalam.
My favorite tree is the coconut tree.
My favorite tree is the coconut tree.
Which tree do you like?
Which tree do you like?
Blank.
Blank.
New words.
New words.
Festival.
Festival.
Puppet.
Puppet.
Travel.
Travel.
Painting.
Painting.
Neighbor.
Neighbor.
Fingerprints.
Fingerprints.
But we are all Indians.
But we are all Indians.
Each of us is unique.
Each of us is unique.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Pause after each paragraph
Pause after each paragraph
to allow learners
to allow learners
to fill in the blanks.
to fill in the blanks.
Help learners notice
Help learners notice
that answers are different,
that answers are different,
yet all are correct.
yet all are correct.
Let us speak.
Let us speak.
A.
A.
What do you say when?
What do you say when?
1.
1.
You want to enter the classroom.
You want to enter the classroom.
2.
2.
You want to visit the washroom.
You want to visit the washroom.
3.
3.
You want to borrow a book
You want to borrow a book
from your friend.
from your friend.
4.
4.
You hurt someone by mistake.
You hurt someone by mistake.
5.
5.
You need a pencil
You need a pencil
and your friend gives you a pencil.
and your friend gives you a pencil.
B.
B.
Choose a partner.
Choose a partner.
Ask one another the following questions
Ask one another following questions
and reply accordingly.
and reply accordingly.
6.
6.
What language do you speak?
What language do you speak?
7.
7.
Can you speak more than one language?
Can you speak more than one language?
8.
8.
Which is your favorite dish?
Which is your favorite dish?
9.
9.
Which is your favorite tree?
Which is your favorite tree?
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
You may give extra prompts
You may give extra prompts
for the questions
for the questions
wherever required
wherever required
or intervene with a positive note.
or intervene with a positive note.
If at times
If at times
children answer in their mother tongue,
children answer in their mother tongue,
accept it,
accept it,
but help them out
but help them out
to give response in English.
to give response in English.
Let children come to know
Let children come to know
that they can speak
that they can speak
more than one language,
more than one language,
even if it is only a few words
even if it is only a few words
or sentences.
or sentences.
Let us draw.
Let us draw.
A.
A.
Draw one thing
Draw one thing
that you like the most
that you like most
in your home.
in your home.
Let us speak.
Let us speak.
Bread,
Bread,
bridge,
bridge,
brown,
brown,
frog,
frog,
frame,
frame,
frog.
frog.
Let us listen.
Let us listen.
Frame sentences
Frame sentences
using the above set of words.
using the above set of words.
One has been done for you.
One has been done for you.
It was a bright sunny day.
It was a bright sunny day.
My brother went to buy bread.
My brother went to buy bread.
He crossed the bridge
He crossed the bridge
to reach the shop.
to reach the shop.
Blank.
Blank.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
The school may invite
The school may invite
a local folk musician
a local folk musician
to sing or play a musical instrument
to sing or play a musical instrument
for the children.
for the children.
Children may learn a simple song.
Children may learn a simple song.
They may also interact with the musician
They may also interact with the musician
and touch musical instrument.
and touch musical instrument.
Let us write.
Let us write.
A.
A.
Discuss with your teacher
Discuss with your teacher
and answer the following questions.
and answer the following questions.
1.
1.
What do we call the people
What do we call the people
who live in India?
who live in India?
Blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
Name the festival of colors.
Name the festival of colors.
Blank.
Blank.
3.
3.
Which festival do you like the most?
Which festival do you like the most?
Why?
Why?
Blank.
Blank.
B.
B.
Rearrange the jumbled letters.
Rearrange the jumbled letters.
The answer will be the names of languages.
The answer will be the names of languages.
1.
1.
INHDI.
INHDI.
Blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
GNIELSS.
GNIELHS.
Blank.
Blank.
3.
3.
RUUD.
RUUD.
Blank.
Blank.
4.
4.
ELU. TGU.
TZU.
Blank.
Blank.
C.
3.
Join the given sentences using but.
Join the given sentences using but.
For example,
For example,
sentence 1.
sentence 1.
I like to eat mangoes.
I like to eat mangoes.
Sentence 2.
Sentence 2.
I don't like to eat apples.
I don't like to eat apples.
I like to eat mangoes,
I like to eat mangoes,
but I don't like to eat apples.
but I don't like to eat apples.
Now write answers
Now write answers
for the given sentences
for the given sentences
in the same way.
in the same way.
Sentence 1.
Sentence 1.
I like milk.
I like milk.
Sentence 2.
Sentence 2.
I don't like tea.
I don't like tea.
Blank.
Blank.
Sentence 1.
Sentence 1.
My grandfather is old.
My grandfather is old.
Sentence 2.
Sentence 2.
He is strong.
He is strong.
Blank.
Blank.
Sentence 1.
Sentence 1.
I wanted to go out.
I wanted to go out.
Sentence 2.
Sentence 2.
I was too tired.
I was too tired.
Blank.
Blank.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Provide regular and frequent practice
Provide regular and frequent practice
of the above sentence structure.
of the above sentence structure.